Tourism is both a major transformative experience as well as one of the fastest growing sectors in the global economy, offering tremendous opportunities but also facing complex challenges. Today, the industry must balance economic growth with sustainability in all its forms. To meet these challenges, we need well-prepared professionals. That's why a master's degree in international tourism is crucial.
The Master in International Tourism at Università della Svizzera Italiana prepares you to tackle challenges of tourism. You will gain a deep understanding of the various stakeholders involved in the sector and the factors that influence travelers' purchasing decisions. You will learn how to handle intercultural encounters, design sustainable experiences, master digital transformation, and understand the economic drivers of a changing dynamic sector.
It's not just theory. Lectures are complemented by active learning methods such as case study discussions, business games, individual and group projects, interactions with industry professionals, and study trips. It's a comprehensive experience to prepare you to be a leader in the tourism of the future. Many activities are conducted in collaboration with USI UNESCO Chair in Digital Media, Sustainable Tourism and Heritage.
Furthermore, the program offers a double degree option in food industry management in collaboration with the University of Gastronomic Sciences in Pollenzo, Italy.
Join us and become a key player in shaping the future of tourism. The future of the industry is in your hands.